The innovations coming out of the Schulich School of Engineering have the ability to revolutionize the energy sector.
Solvent and solvent-aided processes are the next generation of oil sands recovery innovations, and by applying this kind of method, we can reduce the greenhouse gas emission and also reduce the amount of the water needed to produce oil.
The vast reserves of heavy oils in the world, and especially in Canada, are still economically inefficient. So we have found with our research ways of conventionalizing the oil produced in the oil sands at the minimal cost.
We take pieces of reservoir rock and test the oil and water flow in that rock. And we're using a lot of medical technology, such as computer tomography and magnetic resonance. Then we go back into the models and we try to mimic the experiments. If the oil prices drop and every penny counts, then everything we do becomes more critical.
Modeling and simulation reduces costs and reduces environmental footprints.
In this lab, we develop the models and simulators. If you don't have simulators, you maybe use a hand to do some calculations and then go to field to do a lot of trials. That is time-consuming and also very expensive.
There's a lot of assumptions and correlations built into these models, and an important part of those set of correlations are the fluid properties. That's where our work comes in. We've developed a number of these correlations and models. Some of them have been implemented in commercial software. Some of them are being used by our sponsors right now for some of their designs.
Because of our partnerships with industry and NSERC, we're able to share our ideas and put them into practice. This is one of the ways that our research is making a difference to our province, to our country, and to the world.